Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own fudge. First, gather your essential ingredients like sugar, butter, milk, and chocolate. You'll also need a heavy-bottomed saucepan to ensure even heating and prevent scorching. Don't forget to prepare an 8x8-inch pan by lining it with parchment paper or foil, leaving an overhang for easy removal. This preparation ensures a smooth process from start to finish, setting you up for delicious success. Next, combine your ingredients in the saucepan and bring them to a rolling boil over medium heat. It's crucial to stir constantly during this phase to prevent burning. Continue cooking until your mixture reaches a precise temperature between 234 and 237 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a reliable candy thermometer is absolutely essential here. It ensures your fudge sets correctly and achieves that perfect texture. Accuracy at this stage is key to success. Once the correct temperature is reached, remove the saucepan from the heat. Now, resist the urge to stir. Let the mixture cool undisturbed until it reaches approximately 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This slow cooling is vital for crystal formation. After cooling, beat the mixture vigorously with a wooden spoon or electric mixer until it loses its glossy sheen and thickens. This beating process is what creates that wonderfully smooth, creamy fudge texture. Finally, once the fudge has thickened and lost its gloss, quickly pour it into your prepared 8x8-inch pan. Work swiftly as it will continue to set rapidly. Smooth the top evenly with a spatula. Now, the hardest part, patience. Allow the fudge to set completely at room temperature for several hours or even overnight. Once firm, lift it from the pan, cut into 1-inch squares, and savor your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.